You can enjoy the benefits of being an entrepreneur with a plan that helps you produce retail, wholesale, and royalty income year after year. The more people you share the idea with, the more successful you could become.
If you have a product that works very, very well, and you've got a business plan and a marketing plan that works very well, then you really have a winner. It all goes together. The whole package goes together well.
As an Herbalife distributor, you can develop a successful retail base to help put money in your pocket every day and every month.
Been in business for just over a year and a half now, and in the month of August, I had retail sales of $3,700.
With just 10 customers, each spending $100 a month, you can take in $1,000 in retail sales and make up to $420 in profit. Become a supervisor, and you can profit as you develop a team of distributors with income that includes royalties, bonuses, and incentives.
I worked really hard before in laboring type of positions, and I worked, and on Friday I got my paycheck. And when they started telling me I could make money outside of what I actually do from other people's efforts, it was a hard thing for me to really understand. And when they started sharing with me all these other incomes, I went crazy. I said, this is unbelievable. And I bought a hook, line, and sinker because no one ever told me anything about network marketing before. And when I really got it, I just went out and did the deal.
It was J. Paul Getty who he said he'd rather have 1% of 100 people instead of 100% of one person. And that to me is really what network marketing is about.
Here's how it works. Establish a base of retail customers that bring you profit each month. Then find other people to join you and train them to do the same. When you set the example of retailing and sponsoring, others will follow your lead. Help those you sponsor and show them how to duplicate this process, and you may share in the generous bonus and commission structure paid by Herbalife. Let the power of duplication work for you.
It's the ability to be your own boss, but leverage your time and leverage your abilities.
When I got started, my first day I actually earned $420, and from there people started getting results on the products. They started sharing it with other people, and people started getting involved in the business with me, and that started to grow. And actually by the end of my first year I'd earned over $109,000, and then that's when I met Mamie.
And when Trey and I met, I was a registered nurse. I was working the night shift, and as a nurse, I was actually bringing home about $1,800 a month. And when I got started on these products, I got such great results that I made $1,000 extra my first month, and that really made such a huge difference to me because that was lifestyle money. I mean, that was extra savings, vacation, that type thing. And so I kept working my business part-time, got my part-time income up to about $3,000 a month while I was still nursing full-time. And then that's when I quit nursing altogether and started working the business with Trey.
And then once we started working the business full-time and with each other, it's been amazing what's happened to our income. Last month we were over $20,000. And we don't say that to try to impress anybody, but to impress upon them. If we can do that working out of our home here in a small town in Mississippi, anybody can do it.
Herbalife's compensation plan is identical for every distributor and is the best in the direct selling industry. It pays out up to 73% of product revenues in the forms of retail and wholesale profits, royalty, and bonus income and incentives. The plan is designed to maximize rewards for effort and provide immediate and ongoing income.
I don't know of any other place where you can improve your health and get wealthy at the same time and live an incredible lifestyle. To really enjoy what you do and to be satisfied every single day with what you're doing, helping people improve their health and making some extra income at the same time.
And remember, you can build a profitable business locally and internationally. At Herbalife, our job is to help you succeed.